Hello amigos, how are you doing? My name is Enrique and on this video I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this. This is the typical light that lots of people have in their homes. Only one ceiling light. As you can see, this one is not so bright. I really have to crank up the ISO of my camera. Right now we are at 1600 ISO. So you can already start to see some film grain around it. And the color is terrible. You can see looks really yellowish, orange style. And let's speak about something. The most important thing when you want to make videos at home, even if they are for YouTube or for anything else, is lighting. Light is everything. Without proper lighting, you are never going to achieve this that your camera can do. I don't care what camera you have. You can have the most professional camera, one Arri Alexa or one Red Dragon, anything. That if you don't have good lighting, your setup is going to look horrible like look right now. Normally, for setups, you use three lights. A key light, that is your main light that is going to focus direct to your character. The fill light, that is going to be on the opposite side, filling up the shadows. That is a little bit more of a softer light. And you can also use a hair light. That is one light that comes behind you to give a little bit more of separation with the background. Now, I'm going to turn on my key light. That is one small softbox. I buy this one off eBay. For the beginning, you don't really need one really spacing lighting to make something look good. As you can see right now, it's already looking a little bit better, but I think it's a little bit too bright on my face. The ISO is still at 1600. So let's crank it down until, let's take a look at this. $200 ISO, yeah, I like it like this. I really like this look with, sorry, this chair is a mess. I really like this look with only one key light on the right side, around 45 degrees on my face. You always want to position the light above you, because this is going to imitate more the natural light from the sun. The sun's coming above you. This gives you this more dramatic look where half of your face is lighting up and half of it is in the darkness. Depending on what you want to choose when you make your videos, this is a good option to use. I think only, this is what I mean, only with one light, one soft light looking to you, look the difference that you can make on your studio and your setup. Please, only one disclaimer. Don't look at that window. The curtains that I asked, they have not come. I want to close it. It's horrible. I know it. I'm sorry. Sorry to interrupt. Enrique from the future here. I was about to go, but I look at my statistic and I see that over 65% of you are not subscribed to the channel. What are you waiting for? If you are enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. This already gives you a really good lighting setup to start. Always think about this, to put your key light around 45 degrees of your face. The second thing that you want to do, if you don't like this so hard shadow on this half of your face, is to have one reflector to reflect some of the light that is coming from the right side into the left side, or a secondary light or the fill light. For example, I have right here one reflector. I'm going to bring it closer to me so you can take a look at the difference. As you can see, taking the reflector right here, it's already improved a little bit. The shadows are not so hard. It's a little bit of a softer light coming into the side of my face. I'm sorry, I'm all the time looking to the to the screen on the camera. I'm not looking to you guys. It's only I want to see that it's perfect so I can explain it better to you. Let's put it a little bit more far away. The more far you have it from your face, the less light is going to reflect to you. And you can put this into a light stand, into a chair, into anything like this. These really, really cheap things. This comes Right now this is only in white, but this comes with also with one side in black, one side in gold, and one side in the silver. Another thing that you can do is to buy one of these. This little baby light right here, this little small light, this is from the brand Andor. I don't really know it. And I buy it from Wish. So you can see you don't need to spend a lot of money to have a good looking lighting setup. Look, such small light, and how powerful this is. I cannot even look at it directly. So I'm going to set it up. Right there I have a small TV. Let's put it right there and look the difference that we saw on the image. I'm sorry about this chair. I really have to change it. So what do you guys think now? Now we have our key light and our fill light. I like it a lot like this, when the key light is really close to my face and the fill light is a little bit more far behind, that I still can get the shadows and this 3D effect on my face. Another thing that you can do to improve your lighting is a hair light. This is a light that is going to lighting. No. This is a light that is going to be behind the subject that you want to make the film, that you're shooting at. Better, not film, because, okay, you understand me. You know what I mean. So I have another one of this underwear. Let's put it behind right there on the couch where you cannot see, that is out of frame from the camera. And this is what it looks like with the hair light that I put right behind me. As you can tell, probably like this look a little bit better. This really makes you a little bit of separation of your subject with the background. I really think that is not so much necessary, but playing around with it, with the intensity and what light and colors, you can get some really nice effects to look with your video. The last thing that you can do, if you really want, is to use some practical lights in your setup. What are practical lights? Practical lights are the lights that you can see on frame, that you as the viewer can see around me. I have a couple of Christmas lights. I'm going to prop them up on this part of the sofa right... Of the sofa? No, of the sofa. On this part of the sofa right there. Really? On this part of the sofa right there. And let's take a look how this is going, okay? This is only one example. You don't need to have them. You don't need to have them like this. I'm going to change them. As I say, I'm still building and I'm still working right now in my studio. But as you can tell, you can really make some funny things and really interesting effects using only lighting on your setup. You don't really need all these fancy, extremely expensive lights like the one that I remember is the Aperture 300D, I do believe, or 200D, something like that. Of course, I would like to have one, but for the moment, only spending, what is this? This was, the softbox was like 25 or 30 euros. Both of the Andor ones won probably 10 euros or 15. And this Christmas light, I don't even remember, but I think like 2-3 euros. That is more than enough with. So with less than 50 bucks, 50 euros, you can really improve the quality of your videos to make your videos look simply more professional looking. The last lighting that I wanted to try for you guys on this video, I'm going to make a second video about lighting that is with only one light, all the different effects that you can do. But one of the things I wanted to try, because I know that lots of people use and like to use these ring lights and this beauty light, is that you can achieve the same effect only with one softbox. You only have to put it directly in front of you, looking directly straight, a little bit above your face. Let's change it 1 second. This is what I was speaking about. This is what is called the beauty light. That is one light that is coming direct into your face, a little bit above you, but not so much. Mine is a little bit too much high, but you can see that it makes the face a lot slimmer. You can get rid of the double chin right here because the shadows cover it. So if you are a girl making these videos, or if you are making more content, like it's more beauty-like or beauty tips, something like this, this is one of the best lighting setups that you can do. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the tips. I hope you have enjoyed the video. And I know the studio is still not ready. I'm still working on it, but I'm really close. Not so much more and it's going to be ready. I just have the shelving here. I think tomorrow is coming the curtains to make this ugly looking window right here disappear. I really don't want it. And I still have to put my green screen right there. It's almost everything done. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Now, where is my telephone? Wait a moment. This chair is a pain in the ass. Here is it. I almost forget about this, and this is something really important. Here are some of the comments from my last video. Mixlody, nice to see you here again. You're coming on almost every video of mine. I'm really happy to have you. Excellent summary tutorial. Thanks for taking the time to share this technique for people that are new to composite videos. Keep up the great work. Thank you very much, my friend. You also keep up the good work. I really like your channel and your music. Udo, good job, buddy. Thank you, man. Nice to see you here again. And last but not least, Matthew Gallardo Music. Great video. Congratulations on getting 161 subscribers. You are growing so fast. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm also amazed about that. You know, YouTube is something really hard to stand out. So if YouTube don't promote your videos, promoting yourself. And I have been working really hard. And I hope that at the end this will pay off. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the like button if you like it. Dislike if you didn't like it. And like always, guys, see you on the next time. Bye bye, amigos.